Hello everybody, Boomba Racing here with our GR Corolla rear motor mount. This mount is a direct replacement for the factory pitch stop mount. Don't let the sloppy factory pitch stop mount prevent your GR Corolla from reaching its full potential. The Boomba Racing mount is precision CNC machined and engineered for the perfect balance of performance and comfort. This mount helps to stabilize the engine during launches, hard acceleration, and aggressive cornering. By stabilizing the engine, you drastically reduce wheel hop, leading to more efficient power transfer to the ground. The factory pitch stop mount is cast aluminum and has soft rubber bushings, which is no good for getting the best performance from your GR Corolla. As you can see here, our mount is CNC machined from billet aluminum and features 78 Durometer molded polyurethane bushings. Being machined from a solid piece of billet aluminum makes our pitch stop much stiffer and stronger than the stock unit. This helps to transfer the power to the ground much more efficiently compared to the stock one. After many tests, we decided to use 78 Duro polyurethane bushings with this mount, which provides the perfect balance of performance and comfort. The 70 Duro bushings help absorb vibrations while still allowing for effective power transfer without excessive wheel hop. Our bushings are poured and not pressed in like the competition. This design leads to a much more durable motor mount as the collar can't rotate in the bushing and cause excess friction. You can get our motor mount in 4 different colors: natural, red, blue, and black. Like all Boomba Racing products, our rear motor mount is made in the USA at our own CNC machining facility and backed by a lifetime warranty. Upgrade your ride today and get yours at boombaracing.com.